Are you interested in beginning your studies starting from today?
Medical biomagnetism and alternative medicine. Yes, today, wow, how very complicated. Well, not studying at the virtual University of Chennai, in which I am the rector, is too easy. You will realize if, for example, you leave me your email and download the first courses, you will see that it will be very simple. I'll explain the reasons what you might be interested in medical biomagnetism. First, if you are a compassionate person dedicated to pursuing the goal of changing pain for happiness for every one of your patients, you are in the right place. The advantage of biomagnetism is balancing the pH of the body. If you achieve that, I assure you no pathogen. Call it bacteria, parasites, viruses, or fungi, they will cause some disease in your body. If your purpose is to be an excellent and experienced therapist, I invite you to start this wonderful course that will benefit thousands of people. I serve people, well, from many countries, I think more than 20 countries, and with a very effective result. I serve people, whether in person, who come to my office, or remotely, and with absolute clarity of how your patient's health is being restored with this type of therapies. Where your patient is located, whether in Switzerland, the United States, Mexico, Colombia, Peru, wherever your patient is, you're going to connect with it through quantum energy to ask his body what it's suffering from. I think this type of therapy is the therapy of the future. Where for many years, for example, Cleopatra, who was born in the year 56 BC, around 2025, already used magnets.
The call was indeed made.
Magnetic therapy.
For instance, the concept of homeopathy suggests that it is energetic rather than a physical substance. In the future, we are already talking.
In the 21st century, the century in which we live, we find ourselves
living that
therapeutic transformation. We are steering clear of medication, allopathy. In general, any product that enters our body and that damages us. And I want to tell you that no prior knowledge is required for you to study this wonderful therapy. I am going to take you by the hand in a very easy, simple, and dynamic way. With my teaching method, when you least remember, you will become an expert in alternative therapies. The most important thing of all is that we will provide you with the advice you need every day of the week, except Sunday or Saturdays until noon. You can send us a WhatsApp. If you're looking to send just an email,
do you think you will be able to send that?
Open 7 days a week, 300 days a year,
65 days from the entire year and the following day.
But we are definitely going to answer it with the question, addressing all your doubts comprehensively, and we will provide you with 100% reliable advice. I'm even more than willing to assist you with your initial patients. If you're just starting to study biomagnetism, I am more than happy to advise you on prescribing homeopathic medicine, enabling you to help your patient recover very quickly indeed. What do you think about that? I am not going to provide you with an exhaustive consultation with homeopathy, but I will certainly recommend some effective medicines that will help your patient achieve quick recovery. Moreover, I will offer you a 7-day guarantee on the course you are about to undertake. If you find yourself not satisfied with our materials, we assure you that we will refund 100% of your payment without any questions asked. Every course entails an exam, which you must successfully complete for us to issue your diploma, which will then be a valuable addition to your curriculum vitae. I can confidently tell you that not only will you love the course, but you will also secure a new job that will provide you with financial freedom. Sounds good, right? so that you are not subject to any salary as an employee, so that you become independent, so that you have your position of the year, so that you travel where you want, that you dress how you want, when you already have an income higher than what you were normally used to. Well, yes, you can invest in certain things that you like. However, the most important aspect, which I will share with you, is the act of assisting your neighbor. The attitude you'll adopt is one of willingness to support him. Will you assist him in overcoming his issue? Proceed without pondering about compensation. At that instant, for divine providence will reward you.
The guarantee.
And he's going to give you money.
Furthermore, if you execute your duties competently.
Therefore, I strongly advise you to delve into the field of medical biomagnetism.
And alternative medicine available online. Throughout this course, you will delve into comprehensive understanding of how biomagnetism plays a crucial role in balancing the human body and addressing a myriad of diseases. To me, biomagnetism holds a magical essence, harnessing quantum energy in its application. Mastering the technique of connecting with a patient's body to effectively depolarize is pivotal. Is it transmitting energy to your patient to balance their pH levels? With experience, you will become proficient in doing so. Very easily, like eating, breathing, you're going to do it automatically. In addition, the course will cover topics such as energy anatomy, pain points, diagnosis, biomagnetic and specific treatment protocol. For that, I have a book on biomagnetic pairs. We are in edition number 17. That part is fantastic. Then I'm going to explain to you how this works. This one has.
There have been approximately 55,000 symptoms similar to those observed.
Understanding the symptoms in this course is crucial, and I will guide you through the process. How should one investigate thoroughly? How to effectively present each symptom to your patients in a concise manner. Furthermore, you'll master the identification and treatment of bacteria, parasites, viruses, and fungi. Our comprehensive online course is ideal for health professionals, alternative therapists, or anyone eager to expand their knowledge. Even housewives can greatly benefit from it. What is the aim of acquiring knowledge? Ultimately, it's to take care of her family, children, and herself, avoiding the high costs of therapy sessions, which can be prohibitively expensive. The adaptability allowed by online studies provides the flexibility needed to seamlessly integrate learning into her daily life. In the course, your schedule and pace of life. In other words, you will be able to use those areas that you want to dedicate to the study without any problem. It can be in the early morning, in the afternoon, at night, at whatever time you prefer, you will be there. Along with your audios, we have many courses recorded on YouTube. If reading isn't your thing, there are PowerPoint presentations to save you effort. Enjoy the view. Completing the course with good grades earns you an extra bonus for acquiring tools or magnets needed for practicing biomagnetism. Subscribe to my channel, and in the messages, give it a like if you like this content, and also leave me your questions with pleasure. I will answer them for you. A hug from your friend and professor, Dr. Mario. I am rector of the Virtual University of Chilanga. A hug, and may you be very well. Bye.